Good evening, guys. Good morning, good afternoon. Anywhere you are watching this broadcast from, I remain your humble boy, AMB Collins Osage, aka Sagamo Stop. This thing now when they go on now, I want maybe say people in authority quick talk put. You understand? Before this thing will come escalate, before this thing will come go another level when it's not supposed to go. So before I start, please, if you have subscribed to a Godsend Family TV, God bless you. If you have not subscribed, please kindly go and subscribe to a Godsend Family TV and follow my page, Peace Man page or AMB Collins Society page. So I want us to talk about this issue. It is very, very important because now so that they start on. Once they start on like this, now before you go know, they go say that musician enemy don't die, the other musician enemy don't die. You understand? I'm not waiting supposed to be. Just look waiting happen now. It never even reach. I don't know as I want to explain this thing. Now they just start to fight themselves, start to the quarrel because of something wey not reach anything. I beg people when they in authorities, make una quick come to the rescue of these two guys, Oletin and this our other brother. But this our other brother not be musician before, so I don't understand wetin come involve am for inside all these things. But we go listen to Oletin voice record now. A video when he do, we'll listen more for know how far wetin cause the katakata or wetin cause the issue. Because wakebe bani have a way I work on now, okay musician na wayam okay who I am in Osunu. So I beg people when they in authority, more na try settle these two people. More na try bring their mind come down because we all are the same. We all are from one Edo state. We all are from one Benin. So more listen to Oletin video when he do.
Before I case one many, wa share message now. Wa sure it. Then it a quick way. The quick bonona. A bakery at Waka. Even here, why women know it?
Now fast forward this music. Let me fast forward
Yes.
this. Me.
Wa share message na wa share.
Okay.
Eni wa to wa pe wa puta. Ni din me wo wa ya wa kada. Ni ma be din me wo wa ya wa puta. Ebi ni ru dan ri na hinwe. Ya wita zosi de emi na TV zeu. Edo ya bitanwe o ma ami o ma mi ran. Ebi no hin o piapaga ro. Think year plus na. Ikbe newe menemewu imai won ikbe egbo binu sauna ne imai won inwe vani metana wa binu ya blue na imai won iwe po be kamedede ipomusa ikbe imai won ina bi po be fianyagbe yi ma o fianyagbe edeniga akpe yedere biana calling me we lao bullet international accept friend request me he send a request we over 1 month ojiro ma accept me ina ri Facebook yi gini no tamame ina ya accept e o he accept ene ona do pikugu me wo ikuni re mare ne we awo ma no ki o okin ka mame owe es baba wi ori e latian owe es baba ri blue ne na do atin fun emu awon na appreciate e mi na ka ma we me latian ne na me ti e ana we yi wa na ri ni ne na e ma na do aro o send a message me send the ogbe ona agwali ku me wiri oji o send a message me you send the gear nye o wa o si imi kakabo wa ku ki kakabo iwa mu te ko me ma o se me ke we video so o ipe ona so api wa me o ona api wa me o pi wa me igwe show ya mo wa Facebook ko gbe show eri ma wo ya fe ko aje gbe hian to pagire ni won wa dan me o to pagire ona gie o kan o no kan ri 10,000 naira me enagili o kan agili 10,000 naira ni me so ugbo eni ige ina we sise amen na on o bese to lono on ese ti 10,000 naira no wa be meji me on ogbo ma yesi wa iwan naira ya we se me ti kon we yo ona ka mame se ri ogwe ni jinye ya sin wa e ma e na do gele wi nwani wi nwani 10,000 naira ni no ri no ari me vegani e ìwọ̀n ìwọ bí ọ̀sẹ̀ tí a ta àfihàn náà wẹ èdè yẹn zigo mẹ èdè yẹn wọ́n náà wọ́n wẹ ẹ̀dọ́gbẹ òbí àgàrí òkú ọ̀pá ọ̀pọ̀ ẹ̀fọ́ ọ̀pọ̀ ìnọ́pà ọ̀pọ̀ ẹ̀fọ́ ọ̀wé yẹn ma ìfẹ́ ma ọ̀pọ̀ ìnọ́pà ọ̀wé ìnọ́pà ẹ̀ ma ọ̀pọ̀ ìnọ́pà ọ̀wé ìnọ́pà ẹ̀ ma wọ́n ìwé yẹn ma wà á dá mi ọ́ ìníwọ̀n wà á dá mi ọ́. So owe es baba ma ona piku bumi adi oyi be pe na wi meri be ma owo ma thank you ona bu yosa ona arulo yosa oyi be pe yosa ma iwe kwe ona pe DSTV oyi pe owo DSTV ge rio yo fianya gbe yo to tegbe mu gbe abi ba o ta serio on a collé Don Cliff awele Don Cliff no ye e ma ya sinwa Don Cliff na wi ye ma ya sinwa ona kolo ma ona ka mo ma ni we wa ge ipinwe Don Cliff on adano wa ge ipinwe Don Cliff on adano but later na do ami o the same Don Cliff ni we ma we ga kolo ma ta ma we e ma we na do apinwa we na yi apinwa ge egeni di mega o ma dan me call it Don Cliff ta ma we ge me no ma na ta le we ma no ku we ku na but ma ta ma no ma bi no so no onema oni mi we to bu we ma so irio eoyati uga tagwe uye me latian o salobua utazi ason ajira ikpene we me maewe oya yime latian egbo veno sauna ne ikpe maewe inwe vanita na mereti iya ladani glo ne inwe vana ifi anya gbe o uye ya bi me latian na ta kan we uyame ya won okay e manu we yime ya ve gani me wa ye mami awe o ye gbaro ve na me magi yan wa ve e manu ya me ya ve gani ba kan we video appreciation we na ta yana ta me mission pa we 500,000 naira me we 500,000 naira me we can have appreciation video ni iwo je wo ge e 1 naira we ma lao mo to bo me we you can have video 1 naira we o ma bi lao but ave mani ma ya sin wani eso oni rigore do bo ga lari igoni a message we ya fe ye gwe me igo are digo me ana ne bo kameno ya defue digo me ana no kameno ya defue digo ne ana beso ide de gi mi we igo ru va no ma riere i ma de mi we ogwe we u kama me but i ma we nu rie me ina ye me na we very because I wait the video for them. Yes.
Ma iyo wa esta ima de obohian ye obohian imati oni egun ete we na ka listen to the video phone ike dogun because atete of Bologna we musician we artist so me no kan we kan musician rima no man asin above kunu na ya kian waka listen to this video for name make go atete Bologna bi ike go egun me egun waya obota e no se ni mana ni na show face me ni mana show face me for this period because e got back there he say brother if you dey see your face e dey use your face dey release I did your face dey come so I want me to see your face every time na hamena we dey mi o yawo we dey gbe ibere face me be live video audio harawo no make na ya ye face me ya release so you know why we nakadam ye at o let info ne make it go atete one of make nothing more listening.
This is Precious Owa Jeme correct fake account. Ìyẹn ọ̀nà lọ ẹ́ màmá the person carry like gbé nínú wí ẹ́ ọ̀hún ẹ̀ mú àzẹ́bù àdèsí negative avant wẹ̀wá latiania wọ́n understand me náà kàn ẹ̀ èmi náà kàn wẹ̀ ta ma understand. So, I don't know how anyone iri mata na ya sunu ni na do ata ya bwana bi bia ka ni ri mo bona no no sie era duwe mi sha ya so kia ye gwa ibie oni emi no wow me mi na be no o duwe mi sha ya so wa vien igbes baba kesun ona like be men wa ma o ya wes baba o ike igbes baba pa like be men o ike ba wi me yi ma like bo yosa me ma we gwana na wo yosa yi be ma o ma time no where ungrateful somebody, you know. And I will DSTV. Are you a DSTV giving my or my dad DSTV? What is your problem? The problem you were. What? Yeah. Okay. If one around with me, only your problem where. Yeah, very good. Oh, Papa, where's your year? I went to take the table. I went to take the table. I very good. You can't buy una with your year. What problem you will run see where? Well, where you 10,000 naira make here. Good. Or give any away video in other position. Good. A video ni. Igime no ga ro ona ga 80,000 e manu vere na yasinwa e yabe
Dennis again me akwi answer that my sister when you say that they pay musician me musician this person they sing. Yes, now if you want me musician use your name to sing, you must pay them. If you not pay them, they not use your name to sing. You understand? So this Atete Bologna so in the find popularity. I don't know wetin he be. He not be musician, not be comedian, not be actor. So I don't know we kind popularity when in the find. You understand? You are just on your own in Bologna, Italy. Yeah. Leave musicians when in their house. If you want help them, help them. Not be say you can't help them. You want me to turn to your slave. Because Oletin is a very quiet guy. When you say they look for trouble. You understand? So if you help person, not me say person go come turn to your slave. Or that will come down to your boy. No. If you help person, leave her. Leave her, me you do your me person doing you. You understand? Okay, now even the help when they say you they help now, they say if they bring the money, you go cut her into two. You go carry one side, you go give them one side. Now musician body, now you want to make your money. If you don't see work do, go and do charity. Ask me big rich, so the day when go still red, I still go they do choro. Talk of you go and do charity. Stop using our musician to make money. Stop getting money from their head. Stop doing live video for them. Then you say, Mona can't help this musician. Mona can't help him. If people donate finish, you cut the money to carry one side, enter your account. Give the musician one side. Yeah? You say this one not good. This one not good. This one not good. Who can good? Here we are man. So Atete, your attention is needed. You need to come out and speak your own side of this issue before I will come out very soon to disgwagwa you. If you don't come out on this issue to come and say your own side of the issue, to come and say your own side of the story, when I come out again, I'm going to disgwagwa you. That is it. So let's continue, guys.
Igo kireni apana kwa kubana ligo bana ya video 80,000 naira working online. For your information, may not let him 10,000 naira.
I must greet you, my mommy. You, I greet you all.
Me a jano my wig man. You were one and now. May not let international. Maybe with video no one ma o temere shineri bless mana kwigo kukugbe ina ti shineri bless now shineri bless or wukana or need a video because the boy is good now the boy na oma ga kwigo ku oma setting with video give me we kwigo kugbe na ya with video ne or temere zilot bit ina we aseni ora ame no ga na we e gade the time shineri bless na rigori me na rigori mana ya with full video mana unowa why onu ya maybe to man of him You understand? So, you know, onamekia ya we again me mana ya sinwa anywhere wa bio wa gbi again me mana ya sinwa wa gbo ma video wa wa so yin gbo ma video wa
egerumana ya sinwa mama mana ti atete of Bologna. That is just the truth. The time when you never use Atete sing, go let him. The time we never use Atete sing, we don't know that they call Atete. Me, I never know that they call Atete. Now, when you can't use Atete sing, now I can't know, say, okay, a person like this is there for Italy, is there for Bologna, when they call Atete, one of Bologna. Now, you bring in command, not be him bring you command, because you all let him, you already make name. You already blow before una to even know. So now you all let him bring Atete command, not be Atete bring you command. You understand? That is just the truth. So let's listen, guys.
We work a musician. We musician. Abon la dia. Now I hear musician in. We babon la dia. Now I hear musician in. But we musician. Who got the name? You know what I'm saying? Hell, you might go again. My boy, and then zona that's hell. Name you gualo. You don't need name. But nana. We work in musician. Who got a banana one show here. We work babon la dia. Now I will babon la dia. Okwo lugwalo ya ruwe gwalo ko lugwalo owe ofitama itan nwe oyin gbina e omwe ebi ya fefe nukile ima ero ibie kani nuwe ye pe fun na eni ga won no iyan gele yere no that because tuju nwe musician ya sokian uwe ju nwe musician ya sokian wa amuna uria ave manu we kele meme ye ma me ga won dan ma mi ani ma yi tu egbe e me afefe nu we wa kele meme we e ma o ma dano but yi ge ti je le but who gwa le name o ma ni the name but e bana we ge mu ti alele here Imakama we na we agi na musician we mewe. Ege ase agi na musician. So that sunu we nu miere na. Imaye na tie ze igwa gomoro pagbezo. Ezo na that sunu. Ina imie lao ewe because ima on mama magba amekbezo. Lao ewe. Owi ekwe o. Owi ekwe owe o dando ge wa wo ge na we re ya we gi na we na we mi ko we owe o dando ge awa wo ge ina you continue ya yin we forget she na bless we e mata na ye only settle in my va she na bless us osime ba wo wa ibu mi ame no e wa no e mana ari o da bi je ba isi ba ni mana do ayin mi je gun e yin because imagwa lezo ijena we ya bu yin ya na kana yen block me WhatsApp or block me Facebook egeni me ya sun egeni me ya sun gi me emi o pate gbero odomu we ma o you are not my family my we gbopa demi ari ayin ya we awo oka gbe mo kin ai we oka gbe mo mo ke kin oka gbo we because mo dion we but to bu we me ri me dion we because me ri o wo kan so no mo so po no ri aka oka gbe mo we wo oka gbe me demi who is this person abeg come up for here why they call me so no anyone ijeta emina na re live video ni u inedia ina abu de kanu de ni de kanite ina abu yan de ina we who is this I want to block you now. Idiot talking. So I know. Ina with the Canada where wàgẹ́ ọ̀wọ́n àrígbónúwà wàyé àtẹ̀bọ́ ní musician wàgẹ́ yà àtẹ̀bọ́ ní musician ẹ̀yìn mìíràn ta live video ọ̀nà wa mú egwu gbogbo ọ̀nà wa sùn agúnmẹ́gun ẹni yà ọ̀nà agúnmẹ́gun ẹni yà ọ̀nà agúnmẹ́gun ẹni yà ọ̀nà àtàlẹ̀ rubbish ọ̀nà agúnmẹ́gun ọ̀fìtàn máyé táwọn òun ìgbìnà mú ẹ ìyẹn egwu máa sún ènìyàn o máa sún ènìyàn but ní ẹ má fi sún ènìyàn but òun ègbò ẹ. Where tọ́wúwẹ́ wò tọ́wúwẹ́ nsọ́wẹ́ àyọ̀wà wà á ta lọ́wọ́ wọn lé labẹ́ wò yá nọ̀wárú wẹ̀ gbé wẹ́ tọ́ni nuwẹ́ yín náà kpọ́kpé mẹ́ òyìnbó sí lè mìíràn lélẹ̀ òye kí agbá lẹ̀ nà ọ̀yàwó ẹ̀sìn wọn wẹ́ ká mọ̀ tó náà jọ́nà yìí wẹ̀ sìn wọn tí náà dán mìíràn ọtí wẹ̀ náà jọ́nà mìíràn okay Robert Eddie Alpha. Now you dey call me before. Don't worry, if I don't do live video finish, I'll call you. Ọtí wẹ̀ náà jẹ́ musician. Wẹ̀ ká mọ́ tí wọ́n jọ náà yà wẹ̀ sí wọn à. Okonu gwalọ wà á mi ẹ̀. Na wẹ̀ na gbégbé gu ẹ̀ wò tí na resign. Na gbégbé gu ẹ̀ o isan na yẹ tiẹ̀ yìí. Ẹ̀rú wẹ̀ náà ìwà sùn ẹ̀ na sùn àmẹ́mẹ́ lẹ́gà. Iná agé wẹ̀. Ina agewe gbe okonu gwalo wa mi o jamesi nwa ya mesi nwa uwa ki o egbine fowo ka wa emona we no ya we si nwa wa emona we na e o mu jane o awe ni Don Cliff usalo bana igiagbon we na so akole wa kan we Don Cliff e ma o wa ga ipe won re o e ma o ma dan o wa ga ipe won re o wa ga ipe won re o dite awe ne musalo bana igioni agbon beri wa be awu me na me o ma na me ma ina we ikimi no sabaye ne o ma yiro no asset wo e tapopo wo kan ya fi o to no bie ma o tapopo weni je eyi ki amuyo wa asu wenye uno ari ege we popa daji ayiga ti agbon ayin we na ya ye asagbon na ne akedo mi na je abioge gawa yi ti obuka no buwe ti alode okiyan ba okiyan baba me atamo wo kan o akiyan wa gbon uwetewe benu wa fi gberi let international e wa ti mi na bi me reni ne we ke ayin mi me Facebook we lao accept me free Facebook me reni ne Oye Dioma, God bless you. Oye Dioma, you know. Okay, Oye Dioma wa top there. Oye so. Now so Donia. Okay, me Dioma you are na he was amu because Oye so no me so tama me. He was amu I'm a walk video na. I'm a walk video. We work in musician, who got the name, who see can't live while a mission one see can't live here. They don't want to test even the man who are wearing ma or use a nazi. Una go. Now use a nazi or give you my done. Where my done, oh my done, while a mission why you win also. Wamana promote what Wamana ring. He come one, you bossy on my Wamana ring. Gay, if you can why you were so young. If you can why you gay, or you want to sue, or you want to sue, or you want to sue, or you want to sue. You don't know what to do it. Oh, it's in you, Bonia. Oh, it's in you, Bonia. You're that, oh, it's in you, Bonia. You, Bonia. You saw or is a woo, or what we play. Who you say, give him ma. Okay, we know why we live. I can't accept him. Eggy Wogger. Rule. Oh, you must see one when he must say, "Will my way. A worry. When we Gualoni, do well, musician, I beg a Ma sandi me. Benu we tame musician power there who we 500,000 men. Do we musician? You understand me? Benin boys, now don't start again. Oga, we not just start like that. Now some people they cause am. You understand? So I know.
So make a quick talk. Atete one of what you say they call am. I beg anybody wey watch this video, wanna tell am make e call me, make e come tell me im own side, because if I come out for am, wetin I go tell am e go too big, because our musicians they dey entertain us, they dey make us dey happy. You not be musician, you not be anything, so stay away from our musicians. If you want help them, that one a different case, help them. If you still help them, not narrate them. No go dey lie money wey you no give them, no go dey lie say you give them. You understand? Because we all know say you on your own. Now where on e dey when you go leak, now you dey find. You understand? Now you go carry musician come and say, more support this musician. Say this musician want buy instrument. This musician they come up. This that. If they donate money for you, you cut into two, carry one side, enter your account, give the musician one side. You see wetin let it to yours now. I say money when people when you stay sing, money when they pay. He say some not reach in hand. You understand? He say some not reach in hand. So at one of where you call, if you need popularity, come and meet us. Come and meet with the presenter. We will make you popular. If I come out from my platform now, I say Atete, it a thief foul or Atete, it is sleep with people wife. You go popular by force. People want see you. People want know you. So not go they meet Misha, go they give them 10,000 they sing. Come meet us, the presenter. We go make you popular if they find popularity. You understand? So stay away from our musicians. Stay away from our celebrities. If it easy, me you still go sing. If it easy, go and sing. In way o agmoya emi like where we be no ever say okay. So since you the envy musician, since you like that profession, you go and sing. You come out with your album, come out with your music. We go back, we go support you. So stop to they make our musicians come they fight themselves or come they get problem to themselves. No. Because you carry this one ahead, now come together, live for this one, go live for the other one, all those kind of things, we don't need that. You say this one not good, the other one not good, the other one not good. Who come good? Now you not be the bad person. You understand? So Atete, I don't talk, before I go talk, waiting I want talk, Mona Atete, you need to call me, explain inside for me. You need to call me, explain inside for me, because if you not explain side for me, if I come out anything when I talk, after I don't talk, if you can't call me that time, I not go green again. So Atete, leave our musicians for us. Leave them for us. We love the way they are entertaining us. You understand? We love the way they are entertaining us. Leave them for us. If you envy of them, you go and sing. That is just it. So because we will not want to make our musicians come they kill themselves, or make them come they fight themselves, or make them come they use bad eye till they look each other. Because of you, we will not be musician. You are not a musician. You are not a comedian. You are nothing. You are nothing. So stop causing commotion. Stop causing fight. Stop causing problem to our musicians, to our celebrities. Stay with your wife. You new married that day. Go and enjoy your wife. Leave our musicians alone. Go and enjoy your wife and go and work. If you not see work, go do shoro. Go for that Bologna supermarket full on. Go and do shoroti and get your money. You understand? Not go they give our musician 10,000 minutes they sing at the end. To even pay the money, who pay? Who we are told your way, and so you give them 500,000, and at the end that 500,000 do not give them. So stop lying, Atete. Stop lying. They say a person don't marry, he not supposed to lie again. I don't know this one marry one or so marry. It can't be say me now I can't better person now. Una go so na marry that time na account dey zuo. Una go so na don get pikin that time na account dey cure. Me why get name you so even to even come say me person marry you come dey tire person. If you dey see all these all these people wey call themselves married people, they dey cure, they dey zwar. Some of them not be the good ones, so una no misunderstand me. Oh. The good ones still dey, but like all this one now, which day you marry here now? Wey be say how dey cure now. So I beg my brother, I never want to talk past this one. I want hear from you, or me you come out do video take defend yourself. If not, if I come out again, it go too bad. Only thing na person wey be say gwalo my man, na you na dey do dey go. So for you and only thing to get issue, that means something is wrong somewhere. And I know say that fault e dey come from your side. So not give musician money say make me popular. Not give musician money say use me to sing. No. Who you be when you are popular? Who are you? So that's why I was talking rich today. Okay, this one you say God's power only thing needs to face is his career and forget about that guy. Yes, that is true. That is true. So you people should sleep well. Mona use my wife and my children to sleep well. Mona pray before na sleep. You understand? So please, guys, subscribe to a God Sent Family TV, God Sent Family TV, and follow my page, Peace Man page, or AMB Collins Osage page. Just follow me on my page, because very soon I'm not going to do my live broadcast for Facebook. I dey do one for my page. So if you not follow my page, if I do on live video, you not go feel no. So now when you follow my page, now you'll tell me if I do on live video or not. So that is just it. So Oleti, my brother, please calm down. No mind this guy. This what here. And you Atete, stay away from our celebrities. If you want help them, help them. If you don't want help them, leave them. Not go they narrate them, they go. So that's just it. On a good night, I'm gonna stay blessed.